गोंयांत येवप म्हळ्यार घरा कडेन येवप. म्हज्या पयल्या फिल्माची शूटिंग गोंयांतच जाली आनी तेन्नाच्यान जायते खेपे हांगा काम करपाची संद मेळ्ळी. तेन्नाच्यान हांव गोंयकारांचें आतिथ्य अणभवतां. बिग बी अमिताभ बच्चनान दादासाहेब फाळकेच्यो यादी जगयतना सांगलें, योगायोगाची गजाल म्हळ्यार अमिताभ बच्चनाकय फिल्म इंडस्ट्रींत येवन 50 वर्सां जातात.
Mr. Amitabh Bachchan. This inaugural retrospective on D2, we will be showcasing movies of Shri Bachchan ji and celebrate all the years that we've spent with him live on screen.
अमित खरेन अमिताभ बच्चनाची वळख करून दिली. ह्या वेळार भारतातले फामाद दिग्दर्शक रमेश सिप्पी, विदेशी तसेच राष्ट्रीय पावण्यावेले प्रतिनिधी, फिल्मकार आणि कलाकार हजर आशिल्ले. मुख्यमंत्री दोतोर प्रमोद सावंताचे हस्तुकी अमिताभ बच्चनाचो भोवमान केलो. भांगराळे वर्सांतल्या इफ्फी महोत्सवातलो हो भांगराळो खीण थारलो.
Coming to Goa has always been like coming home. My very first film was shot here. And ever since then we've had many opportunities to work in this wonderful place and receive the hospitality of all the Goanese during our various stints of shootings. I feel deeply humbled and honored. I want to thank the Government of India for this prestigious award. I've always felt that I'm not deserving of such recognition, but I humbly accept this with a lot of grace and affection. It's been 50 years of my journey in this film industry. It started in 1969, and it's the 50th edition of the IFFI, and I cannot but compliment the Government of India and IFFI for having conducted themselves in such a wonderful manner. Each year we find a growth in the delegates that come here, the choice of films that are brought to the country, giving us an opportunity to see the works and creativity of other parts from other parts of the world.
सिमरन नार्वेकर आणि लॅरिसा रॉड्रिक्स बरोबर पणजेच्यान आमचे व्हिडिओ पत्रकार इर्शाद शेख.